Wall Street Willie. On the news, I heard about liquidity, but what is liquidity anyway? Liquidity means how easily an asset or investment can be converted into cash. If an asset can be easily bought or sold in the market at a price close to its true value, it's considered liquid. Well, which assets are liquid and which ones are not? Cash, of course, is the most liquid asset. Some other examples of liquid assets are stocks, bonds, and gold. On the other hand, assets like real estate, artwork, and collectibles are illiquid, which means they're not liquid. Well, what should be the proportion of liquid and illiquid assets in my investment portfolio? Liquidity is only one factor that you should consider when you're making an investment. But in general, if you don't need the money back for a long time, you can invest in illiquid assets like real estate. If you need the money sooner, the investment should be in liquid assets such as a CD or certificate of deposit. One more thing, your emergency fund should always be held as cash or invested in very liquid assets like money market funds. Thank you very much for telling me about liquidity, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend! Hey people, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy piece of finance.